Hey guys, I'm here today at Zamzam Supermarket in Irving, Texas. I'm going to be doing another Safa product with you guys. I can't wait to show you what I'll be doing. I'm gonna be making chicken gyros. Look at all the selection that they have, but I'm really in the mood to make something special with the chicken gyros. Yum, I can't wait. So here I have 1 cucumber, dill, 1 clove of garlic. I've got a little food processor, and I have some mayo and sour cream. I'll be putting it all inside of this food processor to make a very quick tzatziki sauce. Start on the sauté option with the rice, oil, seasonings. Add in your water and put it on the rice setting for 12 minutes. With the gyro slices, all I did was I followed the directions that are on the box. I'll show you where they are. I pan fried mine, and it's super simple. You can bake them, microwave them, or use a frying pan. I use the frying pan. Look at the beautiful color. And I will show you now how my bowls come together. If you've ever had a gyro bowl, you're gonna love this, and if you haven't had one, you're missing out. I'm about to show you how to use the Safa gyro slices, the chicken gyro slices, to make an amazing gyro bowl. Now that we've made our tzatziki sauce together and we've made our yellow rice together, we are ready to assemble. Here you've got the chicken gyro slices, the yellow rice, feta cheese, pickled onions, grilled naan, arugula, tzatziki sauce, grape tomatoes, Kalamata olives, and cucumbers. I will show you how it all comes together.